Thanks to thousands of donations to our urgent appeal, a large part of the iconic Yorkshire Valley of Snaizeholme is safe in our hands. Our vision of a mosaic of habitats for a host of threatened wildlife species, including the rare red squirrel, is now within our grasp. We still need your help to complete the careful planting and restoration work this important upland landscape deserves to ensure its future. But the hard work can now begin. Donate to our ongoing appeal for Snaizeholme and its wildlife now.